Travis Demers here with you on a Thursday night as the Hops lead the Salem Keizer Volcanoes 3-1. This broadcast is the property of the Hillsboro Hops Baseball Club. Any rebroadcast or reproduction without the express written consent of the Hillsboro Hops is strictly prohibited. New catcher behind the plate for Salem Keizer, Dylan Manwaring. Got the start behind the plate last night. This Volcano team carries 3 catchers. The Hops right now carrying 2. Manwaring, the son of former San Francisco Giant Kurt Manwaring. As Camden Duzenak comes to the plate. Around the butt, takes ball 1 outside. Hillsboro Hops Baseball on Rip City Radio 620 AM is brought to you by Les Schwab Tires, doing the right thing since 1952, by Tuality Healthcare, building a healthier community, and by Shane Company, your friend in the jewelry business. Here's the 1-0 to Duzenak, and he takes strike 1 on the inside corner. Duzenak with a base hit and a run scored back in the 4th inning, also had a stolen base. Other than that, a couple of flyouts to right field. And his bright, shiny, fluorescent green jersey's got a little dirt on it. 1-1 misses outside at 93 miles an hour, and it's 2 balls and a strike. I don't want to say most, but many of the players in this Salem Keizer team, as Duzenak swings and misses through that one. Drafted in this year's draft. A couple of top 5 picks. Top 5 round picks, I should say. Garrett Keizer, we saw last night, a 4th round pick. Here's the 2-2. Breaking ball in the dirt, swing and a miss for strike 3. So down goes Duzenak. If this score holds, Jose Marte will be the hard luck loser.
Now batting for first baseman number 10.
There were 6 pretty strong innings. Allowed 3 runs and only allowed 5 hits. So here's Pavin Smith talking about early draft picks. We know the Hops certainly have plenty of them. 1st round pick by the Diamondbacks this year, Pavin Smith. Drafted number 7 overall. Looking for his first hit of the night. He takes ball 1. Didn't reach base back in the 1st with a walk. There's the 1-0. Chops that one foul in front of the Hops dugout. Bat boy runs out to grab the baseball. One ball, 1 strike, 1 away. Smith fouls that one off the glove of the catcher. Out in front of Matheny, and the home plate umpire Tom Burrell will pick it up and throw that back over towards the dugout. 1 ball, 2 strikes, 1 away here in the bottom of the 8th inning. Here's the 1-2. Line drive in a right field, base hit into the gap. Smith is going to round first. He's going to head to second. He's going to be there easily, round second, and will stop there. And a 1-out double for Pavin Smith here in the bottom of the 8th inning. Just that sweet stroke from the left-handed hitter. Had to go down to get that one. Almost went down to a knee and put it over the head of the second baseman Garcia and legged out a double. That's Pavin Smith's first hit of this series, as he did not get a hit last night, didn't play in the series opener on Tuesday. Last hit he had was on Monday, an RBI double against Vancouver. So here's Drew Ellis. Got an RBI base hit back in the 4th inning. That was the run that gave the Hops the lead they still hold on to. Swing and a miss. this at a 92-mile-an-hour fastball on the outside corner. The first-year pro out of Louisville, Kentucky. The runner at second base, Smith, the College World Series champ. The hitter at the plate, Drew Ellis, played in this year's College World Series for Louisville. Here's the 0-1. That misses inside. 1 ball, 1 strike. Final game of this 3-game series, the rubber match here at Rontonkin Field. And the 1-1 swings and misses at a high fastball, chased one up around his shoulders, and it's 1-2. Two strikes, 1 away. Rohloff's pitch. Grounded over to second base. Garcia ranges to his left, takes a couple of steps, throws the ball over to Kirby at first base, but Smith will advance to third on the ground out. There are 2 away. So we know Hillsborough is heading up to Tri-City tomorrow for a 5-game series. Salem Keizer is going to make the farthest trip for them out to Vancouver, British Columbia. They'll take on the Vancouver Canadians in a 5-game series starting tomorrow. First pitch for the Hops at Tri-City tomorrow, 7:15. Coverage starting on Rip City Radio at 6:45. While the Volcanoes Vancouver series will start at 7:05 tomorrow night. And the first pitch to Dan Swain is outside for ball 1. No balls, 1 strike, 2 away. Swings at a pitch that's low and away. And it's 0-2. Swain had his big night on Tuesday night, the first game of this series. Drove in 5. Now has 11 RBIs on the season. The 0-2 misses up and away. Coming into this series, he had 5 runs batted in. In 16 career games. Now in 18 career games, he has 11. The 1-2 curveball down and in. Lays off of that one. Smothered by Manwaring. Dylan Manwaring's father, Kurt, has been a long-time coach in the San Francisco Giants organization, coaching catching, of course. Played over a decade for the Giants. Two balls, 2 strikes, 2 away. Pitch, swing and a miss, strike 3, and down goes Swain as he looked like he might have gotten Manwaring on the backswing a little bit and tried to apologize to him as he walked away smiling, and that will do it for the bottom of the 8th inning. No runs on 1 hit, no errors, and 1 left, and the Hops will try and close it out of the 9th. Coming up next on the Hillsborough Hops Broadcast Network.
When it's said and done, I'm owning it. I know you think it's just rap.